You've seen this writing. Everyone has. Hey, amazing community. In today's fast-paced world, I'm thrilled to announce every AI written post sounds the same. You can spot it in 1 second. So does everyone else. They scroll right past it. Watch this. I open Claude. One prompt. I ask for a Threads post about why I built RobinReach. Watch what comes out. Read that slowly. That's not generic AI tone. That's me. Word for word. That post sounds like me because RobinReach learned my voice once. Inside RobinReach, I open brand settings. I type my brand tone in 1 line. Then my mission, what I do, who I do it for. I hit update. That's the entire setup. Done forever. Now I post everywhere without ever leaving the chat. Back in Claude, same conversation. I ask for a blue sky version of the post. Same voice, adapted for a new platform. Blue sky is shorter, more direct. Claude knows that. Now the magic part. I ask Claude to schedule both posts through RobinReach. Threads on Monday, Blue Sky on Tuesday. And Claude makes the tool call from inside the chat. Notice, I never opened a scheduler. I never opened a calendar. I never copied a single word. I switch tabs to RobinReach to check. Both posts, scheduled, locked in for next week. Real posts, really scheduled, posting themselves. Here's the proof. RobinReach calendar. Monday, Threads, ready to publish. Read it. That's still my voice. Tuesday, Blue Sky. Same voice, different platform. Status, scheduled. I wrote nothing. I clicked almost nothing. Claude did the work. RobinReach handled the rest. This is how I run my social media now. Connect Claude. Train your voice. 1 time, takes a minute. Then never write a generic AI post again. RobinReach.com. Link in the description. Try it free. Connect Claude in 60 seconds. And subscribe. More AI workflows like this every week.